The bench press is the peak human achievement anybody can make in the gym. Maybe not. However, if you're a member of Planet Fitness and you've always wanted to learn how to bench press, especially on the Smith machine, this video is going to be for you. Step 1, find an available Smith machine and bench. Step 2, you want to have your bench further up that way more than further this way. What I mean by that is you want the bar coming down lower to your chest rather than higher. This Smith machine specifically, so see how it comes down forward a little bit? So that's another key thing. When the Smith machine is like that, you want to make sure the bench is facing this way instead of the opposite way. The reason for that is because if you were to face the opposite way, it's going to put a lot more pressure on your shoulder compared to facing this way. Step 3, you're going to do some practice reps to make sure that when the bar comes down, it's reaching, I like to go a little bit lower than my actual chest instead of too high up here where I might have the tendency to flare my elbows out. I'm going to come a little bit lower. All right, so when you actually come up at the height, that's pretty aligned with your chest, and then you're going to come down like that. That's the flat bench press. How do we do the incline bench press? It's pretty much the same thing. We're just going to change the angle, and I'm going to show you guys the angle that I like to put the bench press at. For incline, we don't even need to set it up that much higher, just by 1. Same thing, we want to see where the bar comes down, and we want to again go just a little bit lower than our actual chest. So right there. And that's the tutorial on the Smith machine bench press. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video and you want more tutorials on specific exercises for the Smith machine. I'll see you guys in the next video.